Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your OKX app using Face ID or fingerprint authentication. If you want to secure your OKX app with biometrics or a pattern password, here's how to do it. First, open the OKX app and tap on the Exchange tab at the top right. Then, tap the three-dot icon and select your profile at the top right. Next, tap on Security. Scroll down until you see the App Lock option and tap on it. From here, you can enable Face ID or pattern password on iOS devices. For Android users, you'll also see the option to enable fingerprint authentication. Simply turn it on. Additionally, you can set an auto-lock timer to lock the app immediately after closing it or after 2, 5, 10, or 30 minutes. I set mine to lock immediately. Now, when you close and reopen the app, it will prompt you to authenticate with Face ID. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials.